Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Mac model and current Mac OS version. Know why that matters because firmware updates may be included. Once the drive is connected via USB-C or Thunderbolt, check available free space and format to apps or HFS Plus as required. You should create a quick backup of critical files first, and then verify the external drive mounts and appears in Finder. This prevents interruptions during the update and ensures recovery if something goes wrong. Now you download the appropriate Mac OS installer. This ensures you get a clean, compatible image. Once downloaded, open Terminal and run create-install media with the external drive as target. This copies the installer and makes the drive bootable. After it finishes, restart the Mac and hold Option to choose the external drive or set it in Startup Disk Preferences. This boots the installer environment so you can install or update without relying on the internal system, avoiding conflicts and preserving data. Proceed through the installer prompts, choosing the internal drive as the installation target if you intend to update Mac OS. Read each option so you don't erase the wrong volume. Once installation completes, allow the Mac to restart and then verify apps and files. Only remove the external drive after shutdown to avoid corruption. If the Mac won't boot, reset the NVRAM or SMC and try safe mode. If issues persist, boot the external installer again and reinstall or restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.